Could police charge me with DUI, DWI, or driving while ability impaired drugs, or driving under the influence of drugs if the only drug I've taken is my prescribed prescription medication? Should I ever admit being on a prescription medication? Law enforcement can charge you with DWI, DUI, driving while ability impaired drugs, or driving under the influence of drugs in any situation wherein all you've taken is your prescription medication. In fact, these arrests are one of the fastest growing areas of driving offenses. Any arrests for any of these offenses do not need to be evoked by the use or presence of illicit or illegal drugs. These situations can and do arise from the use of prescription drugs that are legally prescribed by your physician or another medical professional. Should you ever be on prescription medication during a police traffic stop, it is advisable to refrain from mentioning it and say as little as possible. At a traffic stop, you are typically required to produce your driver's license, registration, and insurance. However, you're not required to answer any questions asked by law enforcement. The police will, very commonly, innocuously ask where you are coming from, but you are not obligated to answer that question. What many don't realize is that, in some instances, particularly if you're under the influence of prescription medication, or more commonly if you've had a drink or so, any answer to any question can lead to becoming a piece of evidence against you. As understandable as it is to want to cooperate with police, answering any questions or giving information about your medication could lead you to a more complicated situation and result in your arrest. If you or a loved one are in Suffern, New York, and are facing a DUI or DWI or other criminal charges, Attorney Randall F. Inniss has got you covered. You deserve the highest level of legal representation and the chance at a clean slate. So call the Inniss firm, PLLC, today or visit our website at www.trooper2lawyer.com.